Oh. Oh my god. There's a lot.
I've sat you down for a reason.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a subject I want to talk about, and I think the viewers watching will enjoy this.
What's that then?
About your stripping days.
Oh my god.
You know, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh.
That was 8 sneezes, I just ruined story time. But yo, back to the story.
Okay.
Da vez que ela jogou de killer contra a gente, ela tem que parar de muito perder e começar a mostrar as coisas. Porque da vez que ela jogou de killer com a gente, ela não matou nenhuma.
Querida, você não consegue nem matar andaias. Quanto mais as profissionais.
Good morning, folks. Oh. Oh gosh! Can I film? Oh, can I film now? Yeah. Jesus!
You face down banish, he face down banish, everybody face down banish. You gotta face down banish. Whoa! Bless me. I'm allergic to combos, apparently. Alright.
Bien, bien. Maten a todos, asesínenlos. Mátalo.
Enemy is shot.
A ver.
I'm hurt.
Su puta madre, güey. Salud, salud, gracias, gracias, gracias.
Body couldn't let me not make compost bins, so now I have composting, and we're saving so much more food, and it's turning back into the ocean. I'm not gonna cut that out because that is how I sneeze. I'm a multi-sneezer. Ocean of this like circle of life, I should say, not ocean. The circle of life. Everything kind of